Hey there, I'm Riley, and today I'm going to show you how to take a wheel with curb rash like this all the way to a professional powder coated finish like this. It may be broken up into a few different parts, but let's get started. Cleaning up curb rash, and then we're going to do a cool chrome on these outer wheels. So stay tuned, these are going to look pretty sweet. Let's get these tires off. So I already got the valves removed. So you get the air out, and now I'm gonna get the tires off of these so I can get the curb rash fixed, and then I can send them off to my chemical stripping guy to get all of this cleaned off. Let's go. As you can see, this wheel has a good amount of damage and has definitely gone to Starbucks a time or two. But not a big deal, we'll get it figured out right now. When the curb rash is significantly deep, like some of these are, I usually start with an 80 grit sanding disc from Harbor Freight, and I just throw it on a drill, and it works really well. But with alloy wheels, they're very soft, and you will dig through the metal pretty quickly if you're not careful. So for the first pass, you're really just trying to bevel out all of the big issues on the metal. You're not going for perfect flatness, because this is a pretty small tip and it's not going to make it super flat. You'll see later I will pull out a bigger sanding block that will help it smooth out. Also, you can see my movements look kind of frantic, but that's just so I'm not really focusing on one spot of the wheel too much, so I don't leave a really big divot. Now here is it a little bit sped up, and so this video is not 20 minutes long, but here it's sped up, and I'm just really knocking down, as you can see right there, knocking down the bigger spots, and then I am almost done, and I'm about to pull out my bigger sander. Something interesting to note is a lot of the dust that you're seeing coming off is just the paint. I don't dig that deep into the metal to fix the curb rash. A lot of it is just getting that paint and the primer. And yeah, the metal does come off, but it's not the main thing. And here we go with the DA sander. This one was probably 120 grit. And as you can see, it's just got a bigger, flatter surface that I can really now make it really nice. And you see, going back in with the drill on any deep spots, because a smaller tip will dig into the metal and clean it up a lot faster than the wider sanding disc will. Took a while, but we got there. So curb rash is all cleaned up. Now about to go drop these off to my chemical guy to get them down to the bare metal so we can start fresh and have the powder be perfect. Got a sick mask mark now. Audi wheels all done. Let's check it out. Curb rash all cleaned up. These are all ready to go to my prep guy. Let's go. I think we'll end the video right here, showing off the wheels in Phoenix with my prep guy. So please follow and subscribe, and we'll catch you on part 2 when I show how I do all the powder coating work and the final finish. But please leave any questions or comments in the comments, and I will get back to you literally as soon as I can. Until next time, see ya.